Hi, this is Mitch with ESELL Auto Sales here in Cahokia Heights, Illinois. Just wanted to bring the latest vehicle to you. It's a 2023 Chevy Colorado work truck, crew cab, 4x2, 51,000 miles. Still has factory warranty on it. It has a little dent here on the right driver's fender. Give us a call, or you can go online to ESELLAutosales.com and do an application if you like. This vehicle is priced competitively. We got a price here at $20,995 or best offer. So again, this is a 2023 51,000 miles 4x2 crew cab Colorado. Still has factory warranty left on it. Give us a call or go to the website and do your application, ESELLAutosales.com. Thank you and have a great day.